Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very stylish, beautiful and trending collection of all those sandals which are in fashion and trending going on nowadays. One of the stunning collection of different beautiful newly launched sandals which are best for casual and office wear. In this collection you will find all those types of flat and heel sandals which are very practical, very comfortable, very stylish and popular all over the world among ladies. Here you will find very simple, decent but comfortable and stylish types of footwear designs. One of the most demanding, very stylish, beautiful, soft sort of designs of summer sandals with eye-catching colors and super soft material and beautiful designs. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the designs. If you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. If you want to ask something regarding this collection or want to suggest something that what you want to see more in my channel, then you can use comment section for this purpose. This is the only way you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comments and try my level best to reply. Sling bag, zipper bag, bag open, all different beautiful, stylish, comfortable footwear designs you are watching here in this collection. White cross strap double sole sandal is one of the best design for this summer. Polka dot sandals look so stylish and girls love to wear such type of printed sandals. Snakeskin printed sandal design is also hot favorite design nowadays. Some of the platform sole wedge style sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heel you can keep for your formal occasion. Animal printed sandals like tiger, snakeskin, leopard print look so stylish and trendy. Two-tone sandal designs are also hot favorite designs of footwears. Like color contrast in dresses, designers are trying to introduce best color combination in footwears also. Floral printed footwears also look so stylish and pretty, and girls love to wear such type of printed footwears. Nowadays, every brand try to design their footwears with different types of accessories like pearls, beads, stones, and tassels. And girls love to wear such type of beautiful footwears. All types of different straps like medium, thin, white, printed and transparent strips are used to design the footwears. Double sole sandals designs are also hot favorite design nowadays. One of the best collection for casual wear, formal wear and office wear. Super comfortable collection you are watching here with eye-catching colors. I hope you can feel the comfortability and softness of these leather sandals too. This is bestseller collection because ladies love to wear such type of beautiful designs. Although this is one of the collection which is fit for all age group ladies. Flip-flop sandals is best for casual wear activities. Mid-heel is also best for casual wear. Different age group ladies find attraction in such type of comfortable, soft, flat sandals. See different types of very attractive colors and blend of different colors you are watching here in this video, and this is one of the stunning and best collection. Transparent sandals designs also in a fashion nowadays, and girls and ladies love to wear such type of transparent heels and stripped sandals. With the help of these collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which types of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best and perfect collection for yourself. Such type of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personality. Style, comfortability, simplicity, practicality, all best features you will find here in this collection with different sorts of footwears. If you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of very beautiful, informative and stylish type of those collection which are in fashion and trending going on nowadays. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family members too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.